Today, I'm going to show you how to create a meeting ID and password in Microsoft Teams. This is particularly useful when you need to share specific credentials with participants or when you want to review the security details of your scheduled meetings before sending out invitations. Let's start by opening Microsoft Teams and navigating to the Calendar section. On the left side navigation panel, click on Calendar. This is where you'll manage all your scheduled meetings and create new ones. Once you're in the calendar view, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on New Meeting. This button opens up the meeting creation interface where you'll configure all the essential details for your upcoming session. Now it's time to fill in the basic information. Input a title for your meeting in the designated field. This should be something clear and descriptive, so participants know exactly what the meeting is about. Below that, you can enter a name or email for your participants if needed. Teams will suggest contacts as you type, making it easy to add the right people. Next, set a date for your meeting using the date picker. If this is a recurring meeting, you can add occurrence settings here. This allows you to schedule weekly team check-ins or monthly reviews without having to create multiple individual meetings. You also have the option to add a location if you're hosting a hybrid meeting with both in-person and virtual attendees. Additionally, there's a message field where you can provide context or an agenda for the meeting. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice important security settings. Here you can adjust who can bypass the lobby and who can present. These controls help you maintain meeting security and manage participation levels. Once you've configured everything to your liking, click Save. Your meeting is now created and will appear in your calendar. Give Teams a moment to process and save all the details you've entered. Now here's where you'll find your meeting ID and password. Go back to the calendar view and locate the meeting you just created. Click on it to open the meeting details, then click Edit. You'll be presented with options to either edit occurrence or edit series, depending on whether you set up a recurring meeting. Select the appropriate option based on your needs. In the message field, you can now see the meeting ID and the passcode clearly displayed. These credentials are what participants will use to join your meeting, and you can copy them to share separately if needed or simply send the meeting invitation which includes these details automatically. And that's it. You've successfully created a Microsoft Teams meeting and located your meeting ID and password. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.